Carboxylic acids are treated with either PCl3 or PCl5 or SOCl2 thionyl chloride. We will get acid chlorides. But it is not possible to convert formic acid to formyl chloride because again the formyl chloride being less stable, it dissociates into CO and HCl. Reduction reactions. Important. Carboxylic acids are reduced to alkanes in the presence of very important reducing agent HI red phosphorus or catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation. Reducing acid with hydrogen in the presence of nickel. Carboxylic acids reduces as alcohols. No change in number of carbon atoms. N carbons, N carbons. Lithium, aluminum hydride or diborane in the presence of THF, tetrahydrofuran. Can also be reduced hydrogen with mixture of CuO and Cr2O3. Mixture of CuO and Cr2O3 will get RCH2OH. CH3COOH, acetic acid, HI red phosphorus, you'll get CH3, ethane. So 2 times it will reduce, remember that. CS3COOH, if it is reduced in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, we will get CH3CH2OH. Carboxylic acid with N carbons, we will get same number of carbons. Alcohol with the same number of carbons. Schmidt reaction. In this reaction, carboxylic acids are treated with hydrazoic acid, N3H. Hydrazoic acid, we studied this in 15th group elements. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, then we will get RNH2 plus N2 plus CO2. So acetic acid, we will get methylamine. So if N carbons are present in the acid, we will get primary amine with N minus 1 carbons. With N minus 1 carbons. For example, CH3, CH double bond, CH, COOH. Even if it is treated with hydrozoic acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, then we will get CH3, CH double bond, CH, NH2. Borodin Huns-Decker reaction. Huns-Decker reaction. RCOONA, sodium salt of carboxylic acid, treated with AgNO3 solution. Then we will get RCOOAg plus NaNO3 is in the solution. This is silver salt of carboxylic acid. Silver salt of carboxylic acid. When silver salt of carboxylic acid treated with bromine, remember CCl4, carbon tetrachloride is the solvent, bromine in CCl4. Then we will get RBr, alkyl bromides. Alkyl bromides, CO2, AgBr is precipitated, CO2 will escape. Very important if silver salt of carboxylic acid is treated with iodine and on heating, we will not get alkyl iodide, but we will get RCOOR. So that means we will get ester. Instead of alkyl iodide, we will get ester. Ester formation takes place. Silver iodide is precipitated. Carbon dioxide gas is evolved in the reaction. For example, CH3COOH treated with NaOH. Then we will get CH3COONA plus H2O. This solution is treated with silver nitrate. Then RCH3COOAg, silver acetate is formed. NaNO3 is in the solution. If silver acetate is, remember, excess of salt, that is important point. Excess of salt is treated with iodine and on heating to give CH3COOCH3 ester methyl acetate, then AgI, precipitated carbon dioxide gas will liberate. Next, another important reaction, Arndt ester synthesis. Arndt ester synthesis. Carboxylic acids are treated with. This is important, very important. First, it must be treated with SOCl2. Second, it must be treated with diazomethane, CH2N2. CH2N2 is called diazomethane. Third one, hydrolysis in the presence of silver oxide. That is important. This is important, silver oxide. Then we will get RCH2COOH. So by this method, we can able to convert lower carboxylic acid into higher carboxylic acid. So if n carbons are present in the acid, we will get acid with n plus 1 carbons. Acid with n plus 1 carbons. CH3COOH treated with SOCl2, diazomethane, hydrolysis in the presence of silver oxide, we will get CH3CH2COOH. Ethanoic acid, we will get propanoic acid. Suppose if carboxylic acid is treated with thionyl chloride, number 2 diazomethane, second step. Third step, instead of water, if you take alcohol R-OH in the presence of Ag2O, then you will get RCH2COOR. You will get ester. Esterification takes place. This is the alkyl group obtained from alcohol. Suppose RCOOH, carboxylic acid, SOCl2, diazomethane. Suppose if you take R-NH2, amine, in the presence of Ag2O, then you will get RCH2COOR CONHR, CH2, same will get CONHR. So we will get a substituted amide R dash. See, for example, CH3COOH. First step SOCl2. Second step CH2N2. Third step methylamine silver oxide. Then we will get CH3, CH2, CO, NH, CH3. See, this is propanamide. In propanamide, at nitrogen, hydrogen is replaced by methyl group. So, therefore, it is N-methyl propanamide. Propanamide. These are important in the conversions. For example, acetic acid treated with first step SOCl2, second step diazomethane, and third step alcohol, methyl alcohol. And in the presence of Ag2, then you will get CH3, CH2, COO, CH3, which is an ester. So this is methyl group. Methyl, this is propanoic acid. If hydrogen is there, propanoic acid. In propanoic acid, hydrogen is replaced by methyl group. Therefore, this is methyl propanoate. Methyl propanoate. Clear? Important reaction is Hell Volhard Zelensky reaction. In this reaction, carboxylic acid is treated with, remember, either chlorine or bromine in the presence of red phosphorus. This is important. Then alpha chlorination or alpha bromination takes place. So that means alpha chloro or alpha bromo carboxylic acid is formed. Carboxylic acid is formed. Suppose if halogen is taken in excess chlorine or bromine, then alpha dichloro or alpha dibromo carboxylic acid is formed. Or if it is acetic acid CH3COOH, then we will get either CCl3COOH or CBr3COOH. So trihalo acid is also formed. Trihalo acid is also formed. For example, if acetic acid is treated with chlorine in the presence of red phosphorus, we will get CH2Cl COOH, which is known as monochloroacetic acid. Monochloroacetic acid. If acetic acid is treated with excess of chlorine in the presence of red phosphorus, then we will get CH2Cl COOH. Again, if it is treated, then it is dichloroacetic acid. Again it is continued, then you will get CCl3COOH, which is called trichloroacetic acid. Trichloroacetic acid. So this is dichloroacetic acid. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2COOH. If this is treated with bromine in the presence of red phosphorus, then we will get CH3, CH2, CHBr, COOH. Suppose if the same is treated with excess of bromine, then you will get CH3, CH2, CBr2, COOH. So this is about Hell-Wohlhard-Zelensky reaction. Very important. Benzoic acid, benzene, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by COOH group, C double bond OH. So in this, C is key atom, involved in multiple bonding. So therefore, COOH group exerts minus M effect on conjugated system. So it withdraws the electrons from the benzene like this, C double bond OH. So it creates a positive charge in the conjugated system because it withdraws electrons from the benzene ring. As a result, electron density decreases in the benzene ring. So if you write all the canonical structures, then you can recognize the positive charge appears on ortho carbon and also para carbon. So therefore, in electrophilic substitution reactions, electrophile cannot attack at ortho and para positions. So therefore, in electrophilic substitution reactions, electrophile attacks meta position only. Meta position only. Remember this. So COOH is a meta directing group. meta-directing group. Meta-directing group. And also deactivating group. Deactivating group towards ES reactions, electrophilic substitution reactions. Therefore, if you compare the reactivity of toluene, CH3, benzoic acid, towards electrophilic substitution reactions, benzoic acid is less reactive than toluene because methyl group is methyl group. It exerts plus H effect on benzene ring. So, due to plus H effect, methyl group releases electrons to conjugated system. So, therefore, electron density on benzene increases. So, therefore, reactivity of toluene towards electrophilic substitution reactions increases. This already we discussed in hydrocarbons topic also. Halogenation. If benzoic acid is treated with chlorine in the presence of Lewis acid anhydrous AlCl3, we will get metachlorobenzoic acid. Metachlorobenzoic acid. Metachlorobenzoic acid. If this is treated with nitrating mixture, so you can write here nitration. We use mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated HNO3, concentrated sulfuric acid. Then we will get metanitrobenzoic acid. Metanitrobenzoic acid. Metanitrobenzoic acid. Next, sulfonation. Introducing of SO3H in benzoic acid. If benzoic acid is treated with fuming sulfuric acid, highly concentrated sulfuric acid, then we will get metasulfobenzoic acid. SO3H. This is known as metasulfo benzoic acid. Metasulfo benzoic acid. Relatives undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction also. See, for example, RC double bond OCl. This is acid halide. RC double bond OR ester. RC double bond OCOR acid anhydrides. RC double bond ONH2. So, in these, the nucleophile is replaced by a nucleophile. So, therefore, these are treated as living groups. Living groups. But this is nucleophile of the reagent. Nucleophile of the reagent will get RC double bond ONU. Living group is a nucleophile. See, RC double bond OCl. So, which contain lone pair of electrons. RC double bond O R dash. O has lone pair of electrons. RC double bond O C O R. So, this is the leaving group. RC double bond O NH2. So, this is nitrogen bonded to this having lone pair of electrons. So, generally you treat this as RC double bond O Lg having at least one lone pair of electrons. This on treatment with a reagent having a nucleophile, then RCOLG in that living group is replaced by nucleophile. This is called a substitution nucleophilic reaction. Nucleophilic reaction. But it is not neither SN1 nor SN2. Remember, it is not SN1, it is not SN2. The path of the reaction is different. The overall reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction only, but these are treated as substitution nucleophilic addition because nucleophilic addition reaction takes place and at the same time elimination also takes place. So therefore, these reactions are categorized into substitution, nucleophilic addition and elimination. But if you see the overall reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Very important. Now, very important order of, let us discuss the mechanism of the reaction. Let us discuss the order mechanism of the reaction. RC double bond O Lg. So here Lg is nothing but halogen or OH group, alkoxy group, OCOR group or NH2 group. Then when it is treated with a reagent which contain nucleophile, remember, first step is a reversible reaction, which is RDS also, rate determined step. Nucleophile attack the C double bond O, carbon of C double bond O group, and pi electrons move towards oxygen. RCO minus, nucleophile Lg. So sp2 carbon converted to sp3 carbon. Now this is also important. It is reversible. Second step is also reversible. Whereas in nucleophilic addition reaction, second step is irreversible. But here, second step is also reversible as negative charge attacks internally. So that means when pi electrons move towards carbon, again leaving groups leaves with a shared pair of electrons. This is also reversible. RC double bond O Nu plus leaving group. So rate of reaction is directly proportional to acid derivative because acid derivative is there, and concentration of the nucleophile, acid derivative concentration to the power 1, nucleophile concentration to the power 1. So therefore order of the reaction is 2 and molecularity, 2 molecules are participated in the reaction, therefore molecularity is also 2. Now, rate of SNAE reaction depends on electrophilicity of the carbon. Because in the rate determined step, nucleophile attack the carbon of C double bond O group. As electrophilicity, electron deficiency, electron loving ability of the carbon is more, rate of reaction is more. And second point, in RDS, nucleophile is also involved. Therefore, nucleophilicity, tendency of nucleophile to form a covalent bond with carbon is called nucleophilicity. So, nucleophilicity of nucleophile, ability of a nucleophile to form a covalent bond with carbon is called nucleophilicity, and inversely proportional to steric hindrance. If hindrance is more, reactivity will be less because nucleophile cannot attack readily carbon of C double bond O group. Steric hindrance at C double bond O. Right? Now, generally the order of reactivity of, this is very important for NEET exam. The order of reactivity of acid derivatives towards SNAE reactions, nucleophilic substitution reactions with addition and elimination. This order must most important. RCOCl, acid halides are more reactive than acid anhydrides. RC double bond O, or you can write like this, RC double bond O, C double bond O, R, acid anhydrides. Then esters, RC double bond O, R, esters. Then carboxylic acids, RCOOH. Then amides, RCONH2. This is general order of reactivity of acid derivatives towards SNAE reactions, nucleophilic substitution, addition, elimination reactions. Now let us see the reactions of acid halides. RC double bond OCl treated with water. So water central atom oxygen has two lone pairs of electrons, therefore acts as nucleophile. Then RC double bond O, then RCO minus OH2 plus. Here oxygen gets positive charge, Cl. So as oxygen gets positive charge, its electron attracting tendency, that is electronegativity, increases. Therefore, it pushes the bond pair of electrons of OH bond towards itself. As a result, hydrogen leaves as proton, RCO minus OHCl. Now, as negative charge attacks internally, then leaving group leaves from the substrate. Then you will get RC double bond OH plus Cl minus. So overall reaction you can write like this: RCOCl hydrolysis will get RCOOH plus HCl. This is the overall reaction. Suppose ethanoyl chloride CH3COCl hydrolysis, you will get CH3COOH, acetic acid. For example, hydrolysis in the presence of basic medium. In the presence of basic medium. See RC double bond OCl, H2O, OH minus. If it is hydrolyzed in the presence of base, okay. Now, H2O is a nucleophile because the central atom has more than one lone pair, and OH minus because oxygen gets negative charge. This is H2O is neutral nucleophile, whereas this is negative charge nucleophile. So therefore OH minus attacks readily. So RC double bond OCl hydrolysis in the basic medium, pi electrons move towards oxygen. You will get RC double bond RC RC O minus OH Cl. Now O minus internal attack, chlorine leaves as Cl minus. Okay, every step is reversible, remember. So then RCOOH plus Cl minus, but this is present in the basic medium. So therefore, we will get RC double bond O minus plus Cl plus H2. So carboxylate ion. So carboxylate ion, or you can write, we will get salt of carboxylic acid. Salt of carboxylic acid. Reaction with sodium salts of carboxylic acids. Sodium salt of carboxylic acids. Sodium salts of carboxylic acid. R dash COONA. Now see, RC double bond OCl. So this salt contains R dash COO minus plus Na plus. So this will act as a nucleophile. Now R dash COO minus, carboxylate ion, pi electrons move towards this. So RCO minus Cl, O C double bond O R dash. Already know reversible, remember. If I write only one arrow mark, it is wrong. Okay. So even if I did wrong, then you should not do that. Put reversible. Internal attack, leaving group leaves. So RC double bond O C double bond O R dash plus Cl minus. So the functional group present in this compound is C double bond O C double bond O. So therefore we will get acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. Reaction with sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. R dash O Na. R dash O minus Na plus. R dash O minus act as nucleophile. Acts as nucleophile. Now see. RC double bond OCl. R dash O minus acts as nucleophile. Then RCO minus OR dash Cl. Negative charge internal attack. RC double bond OR dash. Chlorine leaves from the substrate as leaving group. So this is ester. So acid halides reacts with sodium alkoxides, then we will get RC double bond OR dash. So we will get esters. So this is the overall reaction. Acid halides reacts with sodium alkoxides to form esters. Reaction with ammonia. RC double bond OCl. Ammonia itself acts as nucleophile because of presence of lone pair, acts as nucleophile. Pi electrons move towards oxygen. RCO minus NH3 plus. Now here one hydrogen leaves as H plus because of high electronegativity of nitrogen. Then RCO minus NH2. O minus internal attack. Chlorine leaves with a shared pair of electrons. You get RC double bond O NH2. This is amide. So the overall reaction is RC double bond OCl with ammonia, reaction with ammonia to give RC double bond NH2. We will get amides. Instead of ammonia, if you take primary amines, also reaction same. RC double bond OCl plus R dash NH2. Then primary amine act as nitrogen primary amine act as nucleophile. Then we will get RCO minus NH2R. Here plus we will get Cl. So therefore I am writing the overall reaction now. Internal attack it will leave. So RC double bond O NH2 plus R, or you can write leaves proton because high electronegativity of nitrogen. RC double bond O NHR dash. So this is substituted amide. Substituted amide. Clear? Now this you can write it as RC double bond OCl plus H NHR like this. R dash you can write RC double bond O NH R dash. Substituted amide you will get. For example, RC double bond OCl treated with hydrazine H2NNH2. This is called hydrazine. So then remove one hydrogen and chlorine, you will get RC double bond O NH NH2 will get. Then RC double bond OCl treated with potassium cyanide, you will get RC double bond OCl. Mechanism is same. Suppose if this is hydrolyzed in the presence of acidic medium, then you will get RC double bond O COOH. Byproduct is NH3. Clear?